So let's go ahead and just go through this idea. If you're sitting at home and you're not here live, say this out loud with me. Read it with me. Distributive property. Make sure that everything from one parentheses multiplies with everything from the other. Let me show you how that looks. Let's zoom on in and let me show you. So I'm going to begin with this x over here. I'm going to make sure that this x multiplies with this x, x times x. And I'm also going to make sure that that same x multiplies with the negative 8. So that'll be minus 8 times x. Before I continue, everybody, make sure everything from one parentheses multiplies with everything from the other. This x needed to multiply with the other x. Boom. Also needed to make sure that the x multiplied with the negative 8. Boom. Now I'll continue. Now I'm going to make sure that the 5 multiplies with everything from the parentheses multiplied by the x. So that's plus 5x. Then multiply the 5 with the negative 8. So that'll be 5 times negative 8. Again, that's all it takes. As long as you remember the rule, notice how we just did the exact same multiplication without having to look goofy and write this down. And on top of that, it just takes less time as you build more confidence with this. So when we take a look at where we currently are, here we go. Here we go. Everybody, x times x, list it out loud. Go ahead. X times x gives me x to the power of 2, just like we saw before. Doesn't change anything. That's right. Then we have negative 8 times x. That's minus 8x. We continue from there. 5 times x, that's 5x. And then we have the 5 times the negative 8. Everybody, 5 times negative 8. What's that going to give us? Correct, negative 40, just like we saw before. So notice how we ended up at the same exact spot with less to write down. And now all we have to do is combine those like terms just like we did before, and we're set. Negative 8x plus 5x. Everybody, what's that gonna be? Just like we saw before. Yeah, negative 3x. That's right. So we have x squared minus 3x minus 40. And we can see that we can get the same exact correct answer with a different strategy. But remember that this strategy works for all polynomial distributions. It works for all of them.